Is acupuncture safe for my child? Many people are aware of the benefits of acupuncture and what it can do to increase the balance inside our body and to give us an overall sense of well-being. What many people are unsure of, however, is if acupuncture treatments are safe for children or not. It would stand to reason that the same things that are of benefit to us as adults will be of benefit to our children. The fact of the matter is, acupuncture is used in children for a variety of different reasons and has been shown to give some benefits to them. What are some of these benefits? Children tend to experience a lot of things that we no longer experience whenever we reach adulthood. The hormonal changes that are going through our body, especially during adolescence, tend to throw it into a turmoil. By taking us out of our natural state, which should be balanced, it throws us into an area of imbalance that can affect us in a number of different ways. Problems such as acne, mood swings, and the difficulty in concentrating are only some of the signs that our body is no longer in balance. Acupuncture treatments may be able to help to restore this balance to your children. Many people are concerned about acupuncture, not out of something that they know but out of something that they do not know. Even though this process is becoming more and more accepted in the Western world, there is still a lot of mystery that surrounds it. What can you do as a parent in order to help your child to go through the procedure without being nervous over the procedure itself? Even as adults, some of us are concerned and have a natural fear of needles because of the pain that they tend to inflict. The best thing that you can do for your child is to inform them about acupuncture and let them know that it actually does not hurt at all. Of course, on their initial visit, they will speak to the doctor and he will inform them about what is going to happen during the treatment. Typically, the fear that they are experiencing soon disappears whenever the initial treatment takes place. Acupuncture can help your child in a number of different ways. By bringing their young bodies back into balance, it can improve their health and get rid of a lot of the problems that are indicative of youth.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.